Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Shelburne is a historic town located on Nova Scotia's south shore, approximately 170 kilometers southwest of Halifax. The town has a population of roughly 1,700 residents and is known for its deep natural harbour, rich maritime history, and well-preserved waterfront. Shelburne serves as a regional service centre for much of southwestern Nova Scotia and remains one of the province's most historically significant communities. The area was originally inhabited by the Mi'kmaq long before European settlement. The modern town of Shelburne was established in 1783 following the American Revolution. Thousands of loyalists who remained loyal to the British Crown arrived here after leaving the newly independent United States. At the time, Shelburne briefly became one of the largest settlements in North America, with a population estimated at more than 10,000 people. Although the population eventually declined from its early peak, Shelburne remained an important maritime centre throughout the 19th century. Shipbuilding, fishing, coastal trade, and international shipping helped support the local economy. The town's deep harbour provided excellent protection for vessels and contributed to its success as a port community. Today, fishing remains one of the area's most important industries. Many residents work as lobster fishermen, seafood processors, marine mechanics, and in businesses that support the fishing fleet. Southwestern Nova Scotia is home to some of Canada's most productive lobster fishing grounds, and the industry continues to provide significant employment throughout the region. One of Shelburne's most recognizable features is its historic waterfront district. Many of the buildings date back to the 18th and 19th centuries, helping create one of the most authentic historic townscapes in Nova Scotia. The waterfront has appeared in numerous films and television productions because of its preserved appearance and maritime character. The town is also home to several museums and heritage sites that help tell the story of Loyalist settlement, shipbuilding, and life along Nova Scotia's South Shore. These attractions draw visitors interested in Canadian history and maritime culture. Throughout the year, local events and festivals celebrate the town's heritage and connection to the sea. Housing in Shelburne remains relatively affordable compared with many parts of Canada. Average home prices often range between $250,000 and $400,000, depending on location, size, and condition. Waterfront properties and historic homes may command higher prices, but the town generally offers good value for those seeking coastal living. Today, Shelburne combines maritime heritage, natural beauty, and a strong sense of community. Its history as a loyalist settlement, its active fishing industry, and its well-preserved waterfront continue to make it one of Nova Scotia's most distinctive coastal towns. For visitors and residents alike, Shelburne offers a unique glimpse into both the past and present of Canada's Atlantic coast.